Hey guys, just got the off-road lawnmower in here. I was gonna do another video, but the motor was running like garbage, like really bad. I don't know if you guys can see in there. There's gas and gasoline, right? Money. But yeah, I'm gonna take the whole air box off, the air assembly tray. The air filter's already out, which I gotta blow that out. And so yeah, my patch job didn't work, obviously. So I can move it around. But yeah, now I gotta pull this tray off, and yeah, we'll pull it off. Sorry about that. I gotta get the camera mounted. I'll put it in the vise. Come on. Let's do the vise. Alright, I gotta remove the carburetor now. Now, we're just gonna store it. Alright. Take that carburetor out. Carburetor tray. Rich. That's your only. What's that? Hold up. That's some different size bits. Oh, look. 1/4. 5/16. Motor's still a little warm. Alright, all bolts are out now. What caused that? Push a PVC pipe. Down and out. Here's our box. I don't know at this point, but thinking this fuel line is physically deteriorating inside. And I do got one fuel line out there, but it's off the next corner. But now we got to I think that throttle adjustment is fine. Choke. Smells like fuel. Yeah. There's the assembly. I'm gonna turn that fuel line on, because Does it have a shelf valve? Are we still recording? We are. Oh, cool. Yeah. I'll come back and rinse the shell off. Now, let's put level. Yeah, then yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's physically leaking. It's coming out with flour right now. But, turn this thing off. But, yeah, now I gotta take the whole carburetor off. Take all of it off and stuff to it. And I clean it. Sucks. Hey, now you get to clean it. Yeah, that's upset. But now we get to take the carburetor off and clean it. You know what the problem is now? Because fuel is dumping out into the airbox and choking itself. So there's something wrong. My foot was not closing all the way. So then we get to straight up a new piece of fuel line. Yeah. My life.